Hello everyone, welcome back to Manny Maker. Have you ever admired vinyl stickers you've seen online and wondered if you could make them yourself? Well, it's simpler than you might expect. This video will guide you through creating vinyl stickers with a Cricut Joy Xtra machine using an easy to follow method. Or if you need one-on-one support from our expert, call us at the numbers displayed. Otherwise, just follow me along. Before we start, make sure you have the following supplies ready: Cricut Joy Xtra, computer or laptop with Cricut Design Space software, inkjet printer, letter size printable vinyl sheets, Cricut cutting mat. Launch Cricut Design Space on your device and locate the text tool in the left sidebar. Click to activate it. Type in your desired sticker text. For beginners, it's best to start with simple designs. Customize your text by selecting a font style and colors that appeal to you. Experiment until you're happy with the result. Select the offset tool from the top ribbon to create a border around your text. Adjust the border thickness to your preference and click on Apply. The offset border will appear in black by default. To change it, click on the color icon and choose your preferred color. Select both the text and offset border, then click on Flatten in the bottom right corner. This merges all elements into a single printable layer. Resize your sticker design as needed. If using letter size printable vinyl, adjust the dimensions to fit multiple stickers on one sheet without overlap. When you're satisfied with your design, click on the Make button in the top right corner. If this video is really helpful, please subscribe for more Cricut tutorials and creative tips. The Prepare screen will open automatically after clicking on Make. To print multiple copies, enter the desired quantity in Project Copies and click on Apply. Review the layout showing how your stickers will be arranged on a letter size mat. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Select Send to Printer. Ensure your printer is connected and loaded with printable vinyl paper. A dialog box will appear. Choose your printer from the drop-down menu and click on Print. Wait for your printer to complete printing your stickers. Take your printed sheet and carefully position on your cutting mat. Return to Cricut Design Space, select Printable Vinyl from the material list and follow the prompts. Power on your Cricut machine, position the cutting mat near the roller, and Cricut Joy Xtra will start cutting stickers for you. Finally, after cutting, Joy Xtra will unload the mat itself, and you can peel off your finished stickers and apply them wherever you'd like. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit mannymaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.